Bob, with Tiger now taking these full swings, what does it mean for his chances to play in the Open Championship, which starts a month from today?
David, I think that's still a mystery because we really don't know how long he's been doing this. It could have been just over the weekend that he started hitting those drivers. We really have no idea how long he's been this far along in his recovery. Obviously, if he's been at it for a few weeks now, which is unclear, then I think the Open becomes more of a possibility. As you said, it's still a month away. If he just started, then it becomes a little less likely. But it clearly is moving along if he's to the point of being able to hit the driver.
Let's just assume a best-case scenario that maybe he hasn't been hitting for a couple weeks. Guy hasn't played competitive golf since March. How tall of an order would it be for him to return at an Open Championship course like Royal Liverpool and contend for a major?
Yeah, it's a pretty big stretch. It's a pretty big ask because, as you mentioned, he hasn't played competitive golf since March, and he wasn't playing that great at the time either. He was struggling, and what we don't really know is how much is he going to have to get used to maybe a new swing or feeling different when he swings with the recovery from back surgery. Is there going to be any sort of adjustments that he has to make? It's a good thing that he's been able to hit chip shots and putt and all those things. That's going to help a lot when he gets back. But and also, is there any kind of recovery time? Does he have setbacks? Does he hurt after hitting balls and need to take a day away from it? The problem with the Open is it has those crazy pot bunkers where you can really get some awkward stances and have some strange places to hit from. I wouldn't think that's something that you'd want to be messing with if he's not completely ready. On the other hand, those courses are generally pretty flat, so he doesn't have to worry about walking up hills and that sort of thing. So it's going to be really interesting here over the next few weeks to see if there's any more news forthcoming about whether or not he can get back.